Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram account. So first things first, you need to open your Instagram application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application here. Now what you're going to do next is you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. You have to click that one. Here in your profile, you have to tap on the three lines that can be found at the top right corner. So you have to click this three lines right here. And then after that, you have to look for Account Center. So you have to click this Account Center and scroll down, look for Personal Details. You have to scroll down here, look for Personal Details. And then here on your Personal Details, you will see the Delete Account option. So just scroll down here, tap on Personal Details. Now you will see here the account ownership and control. So you need to click or tap that one. And then here you have options. So what you're going to do is click the second one, the activation or deletion. Click this one right here. And since we will be deleting our account, you have to make sure that you are selecting your Instagram account. If it's connected to your Facebook, just tap on your Instagram. And then here you will see two options. So of course, we're going to delete our account. So we're going to select the second one or second option, which is delete your account. Just proceed or tap on continue. And then here you have to select again your account and then tap on continue. Now, after that, what you're going to do next is you have to tell them the reason why you want to delete your account. So you can choose from any of the option here and then continue. So you will read the following information. Once done, just proceed. And then after that, once you read the information right here and you really want to delete your account, then they will ask you to download the transfer information that they think are necessary and important. Once you have downloaded or transfer, you can just continue, enter your password, and once done, then just delete your account to confirm. So that's how easy it is to delete Instagram account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.